Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can start your new tournament in CrickPro app. You on your home screen you can see plus icon in the top right corner as well as in the bottom center corner of your screen. So I will start by clicking the plus icon. When you click the plus icon, you will see an option create tournament. Upon selecting this option, you will see a screen where tournament creation form is available. This form is kind of straightforward form which requires some of the information regarding your tournament. So here I will start with logo. First I will choose my league's logo or tournaments or any organization's logo. The next I will select is the cover for the tournament. Then I will give the title, whatever title I want for this tournament to be. Uh, so I have done the title for it. Now I will select where this tournament is happening. Um, can be in Calgary, can be any other uh, part, and then you decide what's gonna be your squad limit. So I will put 16 here. The start date of the tournament, let's say the tournament is starting from May 6th, and there is not necessary that you have to select the end date, but here I'm just gonna select any random date in August. The rest of the details are registration end date. So if you want your registration to be closed on certain date, just select that specific date, or else you just uh, go forward and select which type of tournament is that. Is it an open tournament, school, corporate, or private tournament, or any community or any other kind of tournament, right? So then the type of tournament, is it a limited overs match? Is it gonna be test match? And the ball type, what ball type you're gonna be using in this tournament. So after that, just hit create, and there you will see that your tournament has been created. Now the next step is that you can see there are three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Just click that dot and you will see settings. Go to settings, and here you will see on the settings screens you will see some of the options such as who is the organizer, admins, rules and regulations, any rules and regulations about your tournament that can be downloaded by the teams. And then there is an option for approved players only. This option is very useful if you just want to restrict your teams to select those approved players. So this option will make sure that the tournament will on by default this option will be disabled. So make sure you enable this option if you just want to have these restrictions applied. And then the player floating, in case if you want to allow player floating between the teams, so your teams can exchange basically the players amongst them, and there is a limit for each player that how many times each player can play for another team. Then he or she is registered for primarily registered for basically. Uh, then uh, I will go to the admins option where I can see my current admin, where I can add uh, anybody that I want to uh, select as an admin. So I will basically search for the name, and based on that I will select that specific person and click done. So that will ensure that the admin has been added. So once I go back and come back, I will see that the admin has been added, right? Um, and yeah, pretty much that is it for creating the tournament. The next step is how can you invite players or invite teams. So either you can add your team by selecting add new team here and search for the specific team, or you can share invitation link to your team by just clicking on share invitation link, or by clicking at the top right corner icons. You can see those three dots. Click on those dots and you will see invite team, right? Either you select kind of like uh, you if you want to share that link via WhatsApp, Facebook, or if you just want to copy that link. Once that link is available with the teams, the team has to download this particular app, CrickPro app, and then they have to click on that link so that that link should open into the CrickPro app. If this link will be open into the browser, it will give you a 404 error because this link is only available within the app. So anything outside the app won't be available. So that's how team will enroll their particular specific squad for the tournament. And the next tutorial I will show you how teams can basically add their squad into the tournament with the link that they have received from you. Thank you so much.